talking to myself. Will I see again? We are always running for the thrill of it, thrill of it. Always pushing up the hill, searching for the thrill of it. All along we are calling out now again. Never looking down, I'm just in awe of what's in front of me. Is it right now? To ever become one? I can feel love. To ever become one. Thought I'll never see the love you found in me. Now it's changing all the time. Living in a rhythm where the minutes working overtime. We are always running for the thrill of it, thrill of it.